Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, I tried doing a swipe on this maple leaf. It didn't work that great. So I'm going to attempt to do a bloom on here. And we'll see what happens. I'm using Glidden Essentials. The last one was a mixture of paints. It didn't really work well, so hopefully this works okay. Just going to use some oranges and gold and green. Put a little bit more. All right, let's see what we can do here. Can always add some more pillow around it if it doesn't spin out. All right. This is yellow green and some phthalo green mixed together. Yellow green Amsterdam, phthalo green Amsterdam. This is Amsterdam yellow. Transparent yellow. Some orange. This is cadmium orange by Pebeo. This is some gold. Actually, it's vermilion orange by Josanya, and a little bit of gold mixed in, so it's like a dark orange, almost like a bronze or a copper. And then I have some magenta, which is Amsterdam primary magenta. I think that's enough paint. I'll try and blow this out, and hopefully I can blow it out far enough. All right, I'm done. To make up some more, I'm going to use my mini blower. What did I stick something in there? Oh, there's something in there. Shoot. Oh, look how pretty that is, and I don't want to disturb it. There too. Find another stick. Oh, something big in there. Okay, I didn't damage it too much, but it's pretty. Except for that, I don't like that white one. I'll have to take some of this and put it down here. Let the middle come back. I don't mind a few white ones, but when there's only one big one in the middle, it's not very nice. There. All right. I think the middle's not going to move anymore. Okay, spin this out. Whoa. this down a bit. Well, that spread out pretty good. Pretty good. This base was a little thinner than the other one that I did earlier. That's pretty. I think it's good. I just want to see if I can fix this. See if it's moving. Well, let's see. It's moving a little bit. I like it. I think we're good. I think we're gonna leave it. I didn't need to modify it or anything. I'm just gonna leave it. Thanks for watching. I like this one. Can't really see the maple leaf with all that behind it. See if I can lift it up. There. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that bell for notifications and you'll be notified when I do a new video. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Well, here's my dried maple leaf bloom. Came out pretty. I like that pop of green in the middle there. Cool. Very nice. There you go. Have a good day. Bye-bye.